The final objective is one of the most extraordinary custom automobiles ever built. Created by Australian master fabricator Rod Hadfield as the final project of his career, the car combines classic American styling with World War II aviation engineering. Hadfield spent nearly 6 years designing and constructing the machine, aiming to build the world's most powerful street-legal car. The project began with a heavily damaged 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, once owned by Hollywood actress Ava Gardner. Purchased in the United States in 1986, the wrecked body was transported to Australia and rebuilt almost entirely from scratch. Only the original body shell remained, sitting on a completely custom tubular chassis. Its defining feature is a supercharged 27-liter, 1,650 cubic inch Rolls-Royce Merlin V12 aircraft engine, originally developed for the P-51 Mustang fighter and later used in the Miss Budweiser Unlimited hydroplane. Factory versions produced up to 1,580 horsepower, but Hadfield's extensively modified engine generates approximately 3,000 horsepower. To fit the enormous power plant, the engine was mounted backwards, while a custom 2-speed reduction transmission was engineered specifically for the car. Engineering solutions include dual 12 and 24-volt electrical systems, front and rear radiators, massive fuel and oil tanks, hydraulic jacks that lift the vehicle for servicing, and a removable body for engine maintenance. The Bel Air weighs around 7,000 pounds, 3,175 kilograms, and carries about 70 gallons, 265 liters of fuel. The cockpit resembles that of a vintage fighter aircraft, featuring a large central console and repositioned seats. Externally, the car was transformed to resemble a P-51D Mustang from the legendary 352nd Fighter Group, known as the Blue-Nosed Bastards of Bodney. The hand-painted finish required 11 months of work and includes more than 6,000 individually painted rivets that create the illusion of aircraft metal panels. Completed at an estimated cost of around $1 million, the final objective became an engineering icon. Australian Cruisin' magazine dedicated a 26-page feature to the car, while it later attracted worldwide attention after being sold to American collector Charlie Lillard. Today, it remains one of the most ambitious automotive creations ever built, admired for its engineering, craftsmanship, and unmistakable fusion of aviation and hot rod culture.